up with Dane, because like I mentioned before, Dane actually has to give Geraldo his car back today for a wedding, and I can't seem to get hold of Dane. However, I was actually supposed to go with my friend today to fit one of those inductions by Sparky. So I don't know if you guys recall that red FN2 that was on the channel before. Other friend actually bought it from my other friend, so you guys will actually be seeing that car on the channel as well. So I'm gonna link up with them right now. They're by Sparky's place. Tyler's there ironically as well, so there's two FN2s. So we're just gonna go there, hang out, watch Sparky basically fit the induction, and maybe I can give you guys a before and after of what the red FN2 sounded like before and now with the new induction. To my understanding, we might just go for a tune also for that induction today, and then there's some other mods going to be added to the car as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's go. Yo guys, I'm here with Basil and Tyler. This is Tyler's car, and this is Basil's car. I don't know if you guys remember, this car was previously on the channel, the red FN2. Here's the induction that we're actually fitting. It has on 19s. We're actually looking for a swap, maybe for standard wheels. And there's an EG there as well. So yeah, and this is just finishing up. As you guys can see, here is actually the battery relocation that he makes. And this is the induction with this the sensor that goes onto the induction as well. So yeah, the plans of this car is to put maybe a bigger intake, and we are maybe putting some coilovers in this week as well. And then here's Tyler's car. So yeah, we're just hanging out here while Anis does this thing, and then we might just, how can I say, maybe put the intake today, or maybe put on a map for this induction in the meanwhile, and then maybe do some pulls, see what the car performs like with the induction on. I think this car just has 76mm exhaust and a branch on, and now obviously the induction. So yeah, this car is back on the channel. Yo! I just thought I'd show you guys this. This is the cover on the car while the car is actually hot. So this is actually not wind, it's actually just hot air blowing up the cover. So something cool I thought I'd share with you guys as well. Hello guys, so if you're watching this, just like to thank you for making it to the end of this video. So basically, just to wrap up this video, as you guys have seen, the red FN2 is now back on the channel, and it now belongs to my friend Basil. So Basil actually has an EK, and he actually bought the whole setup to go K24, so he still has a few mods left. To my understanding, he also still has a Skunk 2 intake, so he plans on basically fitting that onto the red FN2. So what we basically did today was we fitted the cold air induction by Sparky, and then we also went for like a base map by a mutual friend of ours as well, Daryl. It's also known as Clown Performance. He has an MR2 K20 or K24. So he's actually the guy that's going to do the tuning on the car. So he just put the base map on so that the car can actually, how can I say, perform, or how can I say, be drivable, etc. But the plan is to fit the intake, Skunk 2 intake, onto that car as well, and then the car is going to be actually tuned. So another friend of ours also, NM Garage, it's a friend of ours, Nolan. He also has a YouTube channel. He's also going to assist us moving forward with the build. So to my understanding, Nolan might just fit the intake onto the FN2, and then once that is done, we're going to take it to Daryl. Another thing that we possibly might just do is, seeing that he does have the K24 setup still, we might just use that block and fit it into the FN2. So that is what you guys can look forward to in future. Another thing that we might just fit is some ARC coilovers for the FN2 as well. Basil actually mentioned that he was very impressed with Tyler's car. I think he had a ride along with Tyler, and he said that he's happy with how his car basically drives with the ARC coilovers. So he asked me to maybe supply him a set. So that is another thing that you guys can see moving forward. But yeah, guys, that is basically an overall of today. Couldn't get hold of Dane, but however, we still had a good time. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace. No, I'm really just